Today in our series of getting more bang for your buck with budget dry store ingredients, we're going to look at the difference of pearl barley versus pot barley and why I have one in a jar and one in a massive great bucket. Pearl barley is something that we all grew up in. It went in our soups, it went in everything. It's got uses for all sorts and everybody is really quite familiar with this, I would imagine, in their own way. Pot barley, however, what is the difference? Well, it's the same thing, only this one has been more polished or processed than this one. And this one has more nutrients available because it hasn't been as polished and processed as this one. Now, the most important part, do they look the same? Well, no. The pot barley has a lot more of the bran or the wheat germ on the outside, whereas the pearl barley, as you can see, has a lot more of it knocked off. That brown bit is your added nutrients. And if you're looking to have nutrient dense, budget friendly foods in your dry store that are going to help you when life goes pear-shaped or completely tits up, then you want to go for the one that's got the added nutrients to it. And like yesterday, the macros will be in the description. But Blue, the price, how much is it? Okay. So here's the thing. The more processed an item, the cheaper it gets. Why? Maybe because you need to buy more of it to get the nutrients you want? I don't know. The pearl barley per 5 kilos is £12.09. The pot barley for 5 kilos is £12.86. How much do you use on an average day? Very little. And a cup of pearl barley will do for people as a side dish. 2 cups and it will do as an equivalent to a rice dish in having a curry or some other kind of food. So there you go. Pot barley versus pearl barley, and go get it in your cupboard. Seriously, what's your excuse? Go on.